Hello, my name is Sigrid Koch. I'm a Principal Solution Engineer, and I'd like to walk through the custom update process with Winshuttle Studio today. For the agenda, we'll cover the top 10 use cases for finance where Customer Master fits in. We'll look at customer updates through two different perspectives, one from the author of the automation and also from the business user who consumes the automation. We'll look at potential savings that our customers have obtained, where to find examples, and then a quick wrap up. Here are the top 10 use cases for finance, and there's a number of transactional and master data ones, and in here you'll see customer create and also customer update. It's a higher volume here and a higher volume of users, but all of them have lots of savings versus manual time processing and lots of days saved, automating this through Studio. The steps to update or create anything in SAP can be long. Here for Update Customer, there's a large number of screens that someone has to walk through to do this manually, as well as some subscreens and additional pop-ups. Our customers prefer to have a business-friendly tool like Excel to be able to interact with SAP and process those automations. Now, from our business author side, we have 3 different modules as part of Studio. Transaction to be able to automate those SAP transactions you might have to otherwise manually walk through. Query to extract data out of the backend system. This would be live data for either operational reports or to extract prior to updating. And then also direct, which allows you to automate SAP BAPIs or remote enabled function modules, which are SAP programs, and there's lots and lots of them, and it's a very efficient way to interact with SAP. Today we'll cover transaction. So from the author experience, there's 3 steps. Record, in this case, the transaction, map the fields to Excel,